Make sure you read and reread your problem, and then it would be helpful to draw a quick diagram as I have done here. This is a right triangle. This leg length 4 centimeters, this leg length 4 centimeters, and we want to find the length of the missing side. That would be the hypotenuse, the length across from the right angle. So we'll use the Pythagorean theorem. Remember what that says? It says a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. C must be the length of the hypotenuse, and a can be the length of one leg, and b can be the length of another leg. All right, so let's square a. That would be 4 squared plus b is 4 squared is equal to c squared. Well, 4 squared is 16 plus 16 is equal to c squared, or 32 is equal to c squared. Now here is where we just use a little bit of our knowledge. If some number squared is 32, and we're dealing with lengths here, but if some number squared is 32, then that number itself must be the square root of 32. So the length of the hypotenuse is exactly the square root of 32 centimeters. We will approximate it. You can use a calculator or an appendix. Approximately, we have 5.6568, and we'll use those digits now to help us approximate to the nearest hundredths. Here is the hundredths place. I actually only need this digit. It's 5 or greater, so I add 1 to this digit, and that length is approximately 5.66. Because this is 5 or greater, I add 1 to this digit, and we are in centimeters. So the hypotenuse is exactly the square root of 32 centimeters, approximately 5 and 66 hundredths centimeters.